My ServiceNow ABCs by Earl Duque. A is for access controls. Create, delete, read, or write. Some data should be private, so it's best kept out of sight. B is for business rules. If this, then that too. Like if you give me a hug, then I'll set happy to true. C is for client scripts, like when you fill forms bit by bit. We don't actually need the server yet, not until you press submit. D is for data, which leads to information. Information leads to knowledge. That makes for a good foundation. E is for events, a nice little marker that's placed in a queue. They trigger emails or scripts. You can make your own too. F is for flow designer. When a process needs automation, you will easily find this tool will revolutionize your organization. G is for glide. Record, system, query, oh my. Aggregate and Ajax, there's so many to try. H is for help desk, when something needs some solving. But ServiceNow is more than tickets, a platform always evolving. I is for integration hub. Let ServiceNow assist with connecting to other systems. Bespoke probably exists. J is for JavaScript, the language we often employ to create custom scripts and bring users joy. K is for knowledge base, articles compiled with care, providing answers to common questions, a treasure trove to share. L is for lists, an orderly way to view the records of each table to help you manage and review. M is for mid-server, a bridge that we deploy, connecting ServiceNow to systems, secured communication we enjoy. N is for notifications, alerts that keep you in the know. When something changes or needs attention, ServiceNow will let you know. O is for orchestration, activities, workflows, and more, streamlining complex processes, automation to explore. P is for performance analytics, insights that help you improve with dashboards, widgets, and indicators, your organization in the group. Q is for query. When searching for some data, you'll find the right information to make informed decisions later. R is for reports, visualizations of data trends, helping you analyze and understand so you can optimize and mend. S is for SLAs, service level agreements we hold, timely delivery and performance, ensuring promises unfold. T is for tables, where data finds its home, structured and organized so you won't feel alone. U is for update sets, grouping changes for release, easily transfer customization to new instances with ease. V is for variables, flexible values that we store, customizing forms and workflows to meet specific needs and more. W is for workflows, a visual guide to processes, drag and drop activities to automate your successes. X is for XML, a data format we see to import and import. X is for XML, a data format we see to import and export records for data consistency. Y is for YAML, a format to configure integration and data exchange, making systems work together. And Z is for ZBoot, a tool that can restore instances to their out-of-box state, a fresh start to explore.